peace of a nation. Reinforce the maritime laws of our land, without fear or favor. Guardians of the seas, partners for peace and for progress. Protection of environment is our call. For God, country, and people. Seated over archipelagic lands, preparing coast and breasted coast. Against the odds of lawlessness, we shall overcome. We live the raving depths and rugged shores. We wade through calm and troubled waters. Against the nature's smile and wrath, we shall